From March 24th, we have been attending our robotics sessions. It is really fun and practical. Our mentors are really knowledgeable, helpful and interactive. They made complex concepts very easy to us. We even got to do hands-on activities which was really fun and made the concepts even understandable. All of us really enjoyed the robotics sessions. We are looking forward for more classes.